Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to install this thing on the plugin system. So I'm gonna download my new files here. Just double checking something. Correct. So I'm going to upload this to my root folder of Sngine, which is on this website. I'm going to install, what is it? PTO Moms. So you're gonna drag and drop the files to your root like that. Drop right there. So I wanted to show you that I just download this program to do this. I want to show you that I don't have anything related to the plugin. What? Anyway, it's giving me the error. But let's install it and the error is gonna go away. Database first. Now look. I don't have anything related to the database here. Now I'm going to refresh, and now I have the hook master and the hook injection. Now you go to the next step. This is going to install the plugins. Look, pay attention here. I don't have nothing here. Now we're gonna run this and refresh. Look, you see? Now you have the plugin system working here. You don't have to do nothing with this card, just leave it. Now I'm gonna go to get my add-on to install. We're gonna install this one first. Download. Let's open. Make sure that the content is in the root folder. Good, it is. Now we're gonna go over here. Look, let's. Oh, no, 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 no. Turn that off. And upload extraction completed. What is no? Oh, I didn't install the node. It didn't install the node, but I didn't deactivate the plugin. So if you face this problem, what you have to do is I forgot to deactivate the plugin. So you're gonna come here, models here, and you're gonna set this to false. False. It is good that I face all the blocks so you can see what's going on. You go to the model that you uploaded. It has to be set to false because it's not installed yet, it's not active yet, so it's trying to run before it's actually installed. So let's try again. Yeah. So now we're going to the plugin card. I should have delivered that with this setting. What is it? Like this. If I made a mistake and I didn't do that, just please do for me. And now we're gonna install it. Now it's installed. Hmm? And it's active. Now we need, I left this as a sample there, but we don't need this. We need this template inject it. So I go to my dashboard here, I don't have the note yet. I have to inject the template file. Right now I'm gonna do in the theme. I have this here. You're gonna inject. Now let's go to the dashboard. Look, I got my notes here, see? Now let's change template, switch to Engine. I didn't install, so we're gonna run the installer here. First you have to activate the Engine theme or X Engine theme, which one you want to install the plugin system. You have to activate and then you run the installer again. This, okay, now it's installed and backed up. Now let's refresh. Now we have the plugin system in Engine theme, but we don't have the hooks injecting here yet. So we're gonna go to here and we're gonna inject. Let's select the theme. No, Engine, and look for the dash. So let's look for admin dash on Engine. Inject. Now let's go to the dashboard to see if we got it right. Yes, we did it. Cool. So now we're gonna install the, look here, I don't have nothing. Theme switcher. Here I don't have nothing. Now let's go. I don't even know where I am. I'm so confused. Now let's go look for the latest blogs. Download. Let's go to the plugin manager. Install. Let me check if I set the Johnson to false. Is this the latest blogs? Before we get the error again. Is active. False. Because this doesn't have a database. It's just a widget, whatever, however you pronounce it. It doesn't have database, so I set the installed to true because you don't need to install. You just need to activate. Now I have this on false, so you're gonna have to activate. Now you're gonna go here, and I hope this is the one. And let's upload it. It says it's uploaded, completed. Now let's go look my latest blog here. Activate. Now it say it doesn't have any template found. Why? Activate. Why it says that? I don't know. Let's figure it out. Latest blog. Plugin Johnson is active, but it is because I didn't upload for, I should have set, I don't have Engine here. Darn. Anyway, then we're gonna have to copy those files from the default. Copy. Content. Theme. Engine. Template. Okay. Now when I refresh, the template files is gonna show here. No, latest blogs. I have the newsfeed sidebar in here. So why is telling me that it's not? Let me remove this because I don't need it. It's activated, it's installed. Oh, also check this out. It must have an ID and it must be the ID must be the same name of the folder. Hmm? Now I'm going to refresh and you're gonna see the templates here that you need to activate if not activate yet. You see newsfeed sidebar. Now you're going to template inject and you're gonna look for the newsfeed. Which one we need? Let me see. Sidebar before. Sidebar before on Engine and again sidebar before on the default theme. Now let's go to, ooh, we got a latest blog here. Look, default latest blog here. Okay, that's it. I hope you liked it. It was easy to install. I had a few blogs and you saw how to figure it out. It's because my mind is so busy and so dizzy that I forget things. So I will have to update the blogs with all the teams and the ID that we're missing. And you saw what you have to do if you face error. You have to run the installer so you get the tables installed. Talk later. Bye bye.